Jinnah infiltrates political Pradesh.
सरदार पटेल जी, राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, जिन्ना एक ही संस्था में पढ़ करके बैरिस्टर बन करके आए थे। वो बैरिस्टर बने, उन्होंने आजादी दिलाई। उन्हें किसी भी तरीके से किसी का भी संघर्ष करना पड़ा होगा तो वो पीछे नहीं हटे।
Akhilesh slammed for invoking Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
विभाजनकारी मानसिकता एक बार फिर से सामने आ गई। मुझे लगता है भारत की जनता इस विभाजनकारी मानसिकता को कभी स्वीकार नहीं करेगी और उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता को हरगिज स्वीकार नहीं करेगी।
Appeasement politics or secular remark? Drop focus on To The Point this evening. Good evening, viewers. You're watching To The Point. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. So what did Akhilesh mean when he invoked Jinnah in the same line as Gandhi and Sardar Patel? The others also say that this is a Talibani mindset. Primarily, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, has slammed Akhilesh Yadav for that. But then, what about Advani ji? Didn't L.K. Advani also call Jinnah secular and praised him?
सरदार पटेल जी, राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, जिन्ना एक ही संस्था में पढ़ करके बैरिस्टर बन करके आए थे। उन्होंने आजादी दिलाई।
After Abba Jan and Bhai Jan, it's Jinnah who's made an entry into the UP Assembly polls. The founder of Pakistan is at the center of a full-scale dogfight between BJP and Samajwadi Party. Thanks to this showering of praise on the man who's seen as the architect of India's partition by Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh sparked a massive controversy after he compared Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru to Muhammad Ali Jinnah, crediting him for fighting for India.
सरदार पटेल जी, राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, जिन्ना एक ही संस्था में पढ़ करके बैरिस्टर बन करके आए थे। उन्होंने आजादी दिलाई। उन्हें किसी भी तरीके से किसी का भी संघर्ष करना पड़ा होगा तो वो पीछे नहीं हटे। एक विचारधारा जिस पे पाबंदी लगाई, अगर किसी ने पाबंदी लगाई थी तो लोग सरदार पटेल जी ने उस विचारधारा पे पाबंदी लगाने का काम किया।
Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath lashed out at Akhilesh for comparing India's biggest unifier, Patel, with divider Jinnah, calling it a proof of Akhilesh's Taliban mentality.
कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो अपनी विभाजनकारी मानसिकता से अभी भी बाज नहीं आ रहे हैं और समाजवादी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष ने कल दिया हुआ अपना वक्तव्य इसी बात को प्रदर्शित करता है। उनको देश की जनता से माफी मांगनी चाहिए। अपने इस कृत्य के लिए जिन्ना को महिमा मंडन के लिए उनको देश की जनता से माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
UP Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya called the SP Chief Akhilesh Ali Jinnah.
अखिलेश यादव जी को अगर श्री अखिलेश अली जिन्ना कहा जाए तो कोई अंतर नहीं होगा। उन्होंने न केवल मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना का नाम लेकर के देश के विभाजन के समय जो करोड़ों की संख्या में लोगों को बलिदान हुआ है उनके बलिदान का अनादर किया है, बल्कि तुष्टीकरण की घटिया राजनीति के कारण से भारत रत्न लौह पुरुष सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का भी अपमान किया है।
Akhilesh faced massive backlash from the NDA, who calls his Jinnah remark a big insult to Sardar Patel.
ये समाजवादी नहीं है, ये जिन्नावादी सोच है और इस सोच से पूरे देश के लोगों को बचना होगा और उन्हें पूरे देश से माफी मांगना चाहिए कि देश के महापुरुषों का अपमान किया है।
मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना चूँकि देश विभाजन के दोषी माने जाते हैं, उनका गांधी जी और पटेल के साथ उल्लेख करना उचित नहीं।
अगर वो इस तरह की बात करके समझ रहे हैं कि कोई तबका या कोई हिस्सा या कोई वोटर इससे खुश होगा, वो तो गलती कर रहे हैं। उनको अपने एडवाइजर्स को चेंज करना चाहिए या खुद को उनको पढ़ना भी चाहिए।
Is Jinnah's entry to UP poll campaign an indicator of Akhilesh's bid to consolidate Muslim votes? Will it help Samajwadi Party or will it backfire? With Abhishek Mishra and Samarth Srivastav, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, viewers. So did Akhilesh Yadav invoke Muhammad Ali Jinnah with an eye on the Muslim vote bank in Uttar Pradesh? Many said this is out and out appeasement politics. However, there is a set that also says that this is a secular statement. What's wrong with that? Let's take it to our panelists this evening. I have with me Anila Singh, spokesperson Bharatiya Janata Party. In a short while, I'll also be joined by Mr. Anurag Bhaduria, spokesperson Samajwadi Party, and Rahul Srivastava, National Affairs Editor. Ms. Singh, जिन्ना वाली सोच तो अडवाणी जी की भी थी, तो इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? क्या अडवाणी जी का भी माइंड तालिबानी था?
Say, I mean, I do not have to react very harshly on that. I mean, if I talk about the opposition, because they do not know many things and they have very little knowledge, and little knowledge is a dangerous thing. If somebody is going to another nation on an official visit, then protocol demands that if the tall stalwarts of that nation and the government of that particular nation where a leader is visiting, they take them to pay tribute to their leaders. So the visiting leader has to do that. So Mr. Advani simply followed the protocol. He didn't do anything.
I'd like to come in and I'll correct you, because he followed protocol when he was in Pakistan. But when Advani, LK Advani came back to India in interviews, he said nothing wrong. He's never taken back his statement, to the effect that he actually, many would suggest his BJP presidentship was taken away from him because of that.
See, I'm not going to comment that why his presidentship was, whether it was taken away or whether it was not, because I know in Bharatiya Janata Party everything is done democratically. So I do not believe this thing that his presidentship was taken because of his visit to the Pakistan. And definitely, if you're visiting a country and you're going to pay tribute to I will say, Qaide-Azam, perhaps they call him with this phrase. So, I mean, you have to say a couple of words in praise.
But he came back to India and he maintained.
Go and start criticizing him.
But okay, the debate is not about that, Ms. Singh. But the fact is, LK Advani did come back to India and in multiple interviews said that I maintain my stand. I said nothing wrong in Pakistan. But let me ask you, so what is the current context? What is the issue? What is the problem which the BJP, which the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has with Akhilesh Yadav equating Jinnah with Sardar Patel or even Gandhi?
The problem is he has compared father of our nation with the father of the nation, Pakistan's nation. So definitely we are not going to tolerate that. If you're going to compare Jinnah with Mahatma Gandhi, if you're going to compare Jinnah with Vallabhbhai, it is not tolerable at all. But sometimes I pity youngsters, because I'll say youngster because Akhilesh Yadav considers himself to be a youngster. I can say that he was not taught history properly. That is why he has quoted in a wrong way. And perhaps he doesn't have right advisors in his team who can tell him that what is the right history. He might have read somewhere that Mr. Jinnah was, very pro-India, pro-Hindus. Though we know it very well, he started his political career as an ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity, but later on he became the spokesperson of only Muslims. And how the split of our country happened, we know it very well. And lakhs of people, more than 10 lakh people, their lives went off because of the greed of Mr. Jinnah. Definitely, Nehruji and party helped him in this. We know it very well. If we go and see the history that how the split of our country happened, we know it. It's a very dirty politics we saw there. And we saw it all dipped in selfishness and nothing more than that.
Ms. Singh, that is debatable and that's a conversation for another day. Let's not get into, because there are lots of versions to why India got split, and if we actually get in... So let's not get into that debate. But, as I'm waiting for the Samajwadi Party spokesperson to join us and our National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastava, I also want to ask you, is the issue, do you think, because the Samajwadi Party maintains there was no comparison? He used them in the same line because all of them were leaders at the same point of time. He did not compare both of them or the three of them.
Preeti, did you ever heard a single word when we saw the controversy of portrait of Jinnah in Aligarh Muslim University, there are the leaders and the spokesperson of Samajwadi Party, they were advocating for Jinnah. And it is harsh truth that Samajwadi Party advocated for the terrorists involved in Gorakhpur blast and Varanasi blast. They advocated that they should get bail, and definitely they got the bail also, these terrorists. So a political party whose mindset, we know it very well, is of appeasement
Okay.
of one particular religious community. So definitely he has all the praises for Jinnah.
All right,
I
okay,
mean,
but
but
once
Bharatiya
again,
Janata Party, no.
you know, but it's a little rich coming from the BJP, because I have, you know, like we pointed out right in the beginning, LK Advani did wax eloquent where Muhammad Ali Jinnah was concerned, not just in Pakistan, but right back here as well. But I want to bring in Rahul Srivastava, our National Affairs Editor. Rahul, the fact is the politics of Jinnah, you know, has taken place over years now. How do you see it play into this election, especially, you know, where appeasement, minorities, vote banks are concerned?
Preeti, if you see this election, as the elections were approaching, one found that there was a slice of strong Hindutva or elements related to it like Brahmin vote and others, as far as all political parties are concerned, with Arvind Kejriwal going to Ayodhya, Akhilesh talking about him being a Hindu and a worshipper of Ram, Mayawati's party holding Brahmin Sammelan. There was a very strong slice, but definitely there was going to be a reset which had to be there. It was coming, primarily because Akhilesh Yadav and the Samajwadi Party since 1989 have been very strong claimant of that vote bank. And if barring that period in 2009 when Akhilesh Yadav's father tied up with Kalyan Singh and suffered badly, the Muslim minority vote has stayed predominantly with Akhilesh Yadav or Samajwadi Party, barring the fact those constituencies where they think somebody else is more suitable to defeat the BJP. That reset was coming, and I think Akhilesh Yadav has tried a reset through this, that he has equated Sardar Patel, a symbol of nationalism, as the BJP has built, and also bringing in Jinnah as a mention. I think it's deliberate and it's a reset.
Okay.
The BJP now will be out like hungry wolves, primarily because of the fact two of its tallest leaders have virtually lost their career because of that Jinnah element. And that is why we'll find that the BJP will like to play it out, reduce the battle in UP between Samajwadi Party and the BJP. That perhaps is what the BJP will try from here.
All right, Anurag Bhaduria, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, has also joined us. Mr. Bhaduria, you'll be able to tell us best, why did Akhilesh Yadav equate Mr. Jinnah with the likes of Mr. Gandhi and the likes of Mr. Patel, Sardar Patel and Mahatma Gandhi?
देखिए, सवाल ये नहीं है, उन्होंने सीधी सीधी बात बोली है कि जिस इंस्टीट्यूट से जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी, गांधी जी, हमारे पटेल साहब और जिन्ना पढ़ के आए, जिन्ना भी उसी इंस्टीट्यूट से पढ़ के आए। फिर चूंकि अनावरण कर रहे थे वहां पे पटेल साहब की मूर्ति का, तो पटेल साहब के बारे में बात करने लगे। चूंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को तो असली मुद्दों पे बात नहीं करनी है, उन्होंने बोला एक ही इंस्टीट्यूट से पढ़ने के बाद आइडियोलॉजी देखिए कितनी अलग है, एक देश को बनाने में लगे। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी उसको बोल रही है कि वो जिन्ना की तारीफ कर रहे थे, जबकि वो बात कर रहे थे वहां पे पटेल साहब की बात की तारीफ कर रहे थे, उन्होंने जिन्ना की तारीफ करें। चूंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को असली मुद्दों पे चर्चा नहीं करनी है, उनसे सवाल पूछा जाता है ना कि यहाँ पेट्रोल डीजल की कीमत इतनी क्यों है, तो उस पर कैसे जवाब देंगे? देश का गृह राज्य मंत्री जिसके ऊपर में आपराधिक मुकदमे हैं, वो यहाँ पे वहाँ सत्ता में बैठा है, जिसके बेटे पे 302 का मुकदमा है, तो कैसे उसको न्याय मिलेगा? जनता को कैसे न्याय मिलेगा? फार्मर्स जिनको रौंदा गया है, जिनको उन्होंने क्रश किया, उनको कैसे न्याय मिलेगा? किस तरह से किसान उत्तर प्रदेश में परेशान है, कैसे कोविड काल में लोगों की यहाँ पे बिना ऑक्सीजन के मिलने से मौतें हुई है। क्योंकि उत्तर प्रदेश में सवाल उठेगा, चुनाव में सवाल उठेगा कि जहरीली शराब पीने से लोगों की मौतें हुई हैं, सवाल उठेगा कि यहाँ पे किस तरह से चीरन हुआ है महिलाओं का, सवाल ये भी उठेगा कि बच्चों की मौतें बुखार से हो रही हैं। इस पे जवाब नहीं देना पड़े, डीजल चूंकि इतना महंगा हो गया है कि किसान अपनी खेती नहीं कर पा रहा है, इस पे जवाब ना देना पड़े तो हल्ला मचा रहे हैं कि उन्होंने जिन्ना की तारीफ की, उन्होंने जिन्ना की तारीफ की। अरे भाई, कहां तारीफ की है?
भदूरिया जी, तारीफ की कि नहीं की? तारीफ की कि नहीं की?
असली मुद्दों पे बात नहीं करना है, इसलिए कहती तारीफ की है।
पर तारीफ की कि नहीं की?
अरे तारीफ कहां की? उन्होंने पटेल साहब की तारीफ की है। उन्होंने बोला एक ही इंस्टीट्यूट से सभी लोग पढ़े हैं, एक ही इंस्टीट्यूट से पढ़ के आए हैं। ये हिंदुस्तान है जहाँ पे सभी लोग मिलकर रहा करते थे। यहाँ मिलके उन्होंने पटेल साहब की पूरी बात बताई है कि किस तरह से उन्होंने देश की आजादी में, इस तरह से तो हम बोलेंगे सावरकर साहब ने तो माफी मांगी थी, और इनके वहां पे जो इनके सबसे बड़े नेता माने जाते हैं अटल बिहारी आडवाणी जी, तो वहां पे जाके फूलमाला चढ़ा के आए थे। तो आडवाणी को क्या बनाएंगे? आडवाणी जिन्ना नाम रख देंगे उनका। आप बताइए, इनके प्रधानमंत्री जी तो पाकिस्तान की सिवाई खा के आ गए, बिरयानी खाने गए थे दौड़े दौड़े। तो ये देखो, इन सब बातों का कोई मतलब नहीं है, क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी
Anila Singh, the SP is saying that the Samajwadi Party says nobody equated Jinnah with Mahatma Gandhi or Sardar Patel. The Samajwadi Party is saying because the BJP is corrupt in terms of no issues, they want to rake up and make this election into a minority versus majority election, because that wherein lies their scope to win and their vote bank.
Our reaction is because of his action. Akhilesh Yadav ji mentioned that Jinnah, Patel Saab and Mahatma Gandhi, they all were great leaders. He said words of praise for Jinnah. We didn't. When he has given us this opportunity, then definitely we have to ask him why he is doing so. But the thing is, I mentioned earlier, Preeti, that a Samajwadi Party is too deep into appeasement politics, and in that they do not see any limits.
Anila Singh, it's a question I asked you, which Bhaduria ji is also asking you. Even Advani ji said it.
पाकिस्तान में बिरयानी खाने गए तो देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी का क्या नाम रख देंगे आप? कमाल की बात करते हैं आप।
Let's go one by one. Can I just get Anila Singh? Bhaduria ji, आपने अपना पक्ष रखिए, इनको आंसर करने दीजिए. Can I just get Anila Singh?
Then I have to say one thing to Anurag Bhadoria. Anurag Bhadoria, जाकर अपने नेता को एक चीज बोल दीजिएगा कि इश्क तो करता है सब कोई, महबूब तो बनाता है सब कोई, कभी अपने वतन को महबूब बनाकर तो देखो, तुम पर मरेगा हर कोई. The problem with Akhilesh Yadav ji, for his politics, he can stoop to any level, and this time he has stooped too much. He has crossed the borders, and he has got all the praises for Jinnah. And because of Jinnah, we know it very well that how our country got splitted and how many lives we have lost. Perhaps Samajwadi Party and its leader is not seeing this thing.
Okay.
And they are seeing...
Anila ji, Anurag Bhadoria wants to respond. Bhadoria ji, please respond. Anila ji, let him respond. Okay, can I just get Bhadoria ji?
आप बात नहीं करना चाहते नौजवान की, आप बात नहीं करना चाहते और बेरोजगारी से आत्महत्या कैसे कर रहा है, आप बात नहीं करना चाहते कि महंगाई से आत्महत्या कैसे कर रहा है, आप बात नहीं करना चाहते
one by one. Can I just get Anurag Bhadoria? Can I just get Anurag Bhadoria?
उत्तर प्रदेश में जिस तरह से यहाँ पे लोगों की मौतें हो रही हैं, बच्चों की बुखार से मौतें हो रही हैं, आप इसमें चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते? कोविड काल में किस तरह से यहाँ पे बिना ऑक्सीजन के लोग तड़प तड़प के मौतें हो गई, आप इसमें चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते? आप चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते किस तरह से महिलाओं का चीरन हुआ, आप चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते कि आलू प्याज की कीमत क्या है?
All right, I want to bring in Rahul Srivastava. I want to bring in our national affairs editor Rahul Srivastava back into this conversation. Rahul Srivastava, the fact is, if this election gets polarized and it seems it's on its way, with that, who does it benefit the most, the BJP or the Samajwadi Party?
Preeti, what one has noticed since 2014 and in the early period of the Ram Janmabhoomi movement, that every time there has been a stark, sharp polarization, what is called, what I popularly call as a great Hindu monolith has been created by the BJP, and it has benefited the BJP much more than the Samajwadi Party or the others. If you recall in 1990 when there was firing on Kar Sevak, that is the very period when the BJP rose strongly in Uttar Pradesh during the Ram Janmabhoomi movement. And then when it could not deliver on Mandir and the Mandir issue lost wind, the BJP started the decline. 2014, come back and you riding on the Muzaffarnagar riots, the BJP created a very polarized atmosphere in which tangibles were not to be delivered like a temple. It was on Shamshan, Kabristan and other elements, and the BJP could recreate that Hindu monolith, and in which the BJP benefited. But right now, you see, Akhilesh Yadav has made a statement. There are two statements. One is that he said they fought for freedom. So means Jinnah fought for freedom. The second is the qualifier that Sardar Patel knew the land. But I think it's a very clever mention, because he has done what he could have expected to do from a statement like this. The BJP is up in arms, and that's what a Samajwadi Party wants. But
all right, okay, I'm going to close this show, but I want to bring it.
If it gets polarized, the BJP benefits.
All right, and Anila Singh, I'll quickly drag you in on that. You should be happy, no? On the other hand, you have Rahul Srivastava, who's given you figures. He's gone back elections. The more polarized the election, advantage BJP. Is that the reason why the BJP is raking this issue?
See, if everybody says this thing that Bharatiya Janata Party loves to polarize, then I totally differ from it, because our stand is very clear. We are not here to do any sort of appeasement politics, but definitely if anybody is going to attack 80% population of our country, that is the Hindus. So we are standing with them very strongly. We are definitely going to advocate for them.
History suggests, political history suggests that polarization, at least in the state of Uttar Pradesh, has always been advantage BJP. On this particular issue, the Samajwadi Party is saying that the BJP has absolutely no other issues to go to people with, and they want to subscribe to a majority versus minority election because that would favor them. How it all plays out, we'll only know when that last vote is counted. A quick break. Up next is Rahul Kanwar.